Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Yogi's Choice. Today we're gonna do a quick Dollar Tree haul, gardening haul. So I went and they had their seeds out yesterday, so I picked up more seeds. So I got some tomatoes, which I didn't have. I also got kale and some lettuce, carrots, more carrots, okay, some broccoli, and cauliflower, some peppers, some cucumber, basil, some spinach, some more spinach, some hot peppers, which I don't have, some cabbage, some more beets, which I think I already have this one, thyme, more lettuce. So they got their seeds out, and I was really excited to see that their seeds are out, and so I got some seeds, some more seeds. Also, I got these pots. There are 10 inside of them, so this is gonna be good for me to plant certain vegetables. So I got 2 packs of these, right? And then they have their pretty shears. Like, look at this color. So I got this one, and then I got the new shovel. Got a new shovel. And it's pretty solid. And then I got the gardening hoe. It's called a gardening hoe. So, you know, get in there. And I see these clips. So I got the clips. There's 20 of them inside here. There's some big ones, and then there's some small ones, tomato clips, or anything that needs clipping together so they don't fall. And then I got this ones, and there are smaller ones, but this size is good because I think I'm gonna plant my herbs in these. So this is gonna be like my stackable herb garden, so that way I can bring them in the winter time again. So that's my Dollar Tree haul for the gardening season, for the upcoming gardening season. And I know I'm gonna probably end up back in the Dollar Tree again because I do want to find the bigger stackables, which wasn't at my Dollar Tree that I went to yesterday, the one that I went to. But I am gonna go to a different one and see if they have the bigger stackable pots. So that's all I got from the Dollar Tree. So yeah, let's get the gardening season going. So please get up and start growing your food this year. All right, so have a blessed day. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my video, and let's get ready to start planting pretty soon. All right, thank you. Have a blessed day.